Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can switch players on Yahoo Fantasy Football. And it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, you want to open up the website or your app. Make sure you're signed in, okay? And once you're signed in, what you want to do, guys, is you want to go ahead and click on the sports section right here at the top, right? Click on sports, and then you will see all your different sports here at the top. You should see the sports right here, all the different sports and all the different we will see all the available sports. You want to tap on the league name or the team avatar you want. For example, you can tap on this one right here if you want. And then what you're going to be doing, guys, is you want to make sure in the team tab at the top of the screen, okay? Once you're in the team tab, guys, and to the left of an active roster position, you want to tap the blue position, okay? And then you want to tap on any player that is listed to basically fill that roster position, or switch players out in the roster. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.